Hello, I have a haul for you, but first I'm going to show you my score from the garage sale today. We just happened to go by one over on the other side of the park as we were coming home. You know, a whole bunch of restaurant stuff and really nice things. So we got these. These are, they're not, I don't think they're real Bertoa by Knoll, but they're Bertoa by Knoll. And they're nice and heavy. They have white leather seats and they're heavy. And I'll put a graphic up to show you the. We got them for $20 a piece. The real ones go for like $300 to $500 a piece. So we're pretty excited about that. I'll be right back. Okay, hello punk rockers. We're back. And what does he eat? Victor's here. And Mr. Retros is here.
Howdy.
And I have a mixed haul. I did, let's see. I'll show you this. There's a guy's channel. I'll try and put a link to his channel called, I think his name is Chris Heineman. I think that's what his name is. He does beautiful decor stuff. And he had one of these in his kitchen on his latest Halloween tour. And I recognized it. This is the thing from the dollar store that's like a candy dish type of deal. They have them in black and iridescent. I got the silver one because I figured it'd be easier to paint with the white. So we painted it white, and I did all this mark on it to make it look. It's got a nice retro look to it. Mm-hmm. So I did this one, and I really like how it turned out. So I got this one to try, and this has where you put a bucket handle, and I'm going to put a little crepe paper trim around the top here, but I'm going to paint it the same way as that one.
He was clear, smoke.
Yeah, he was smoky clear. They only had this one, and I think it's supposed.
It's supposed to have a lid, I think.
I guess it's supposed to have a lid. I don't know, but he doesn't have one now, so he doesn't need a lid. So, yeah, he was clear like this. So that's my project on that. Is almost done. And then I went to Deseret. It was interesting, as usual. But I found a Furby. He doesn't work, but that's okay. I don't want him working. They never have much to say except nonsense and gibberish. Mm-hmm. So he was $2. He's cute. And then this is my Zimomo. I don't know if you can see him. He's so huge and beautiful. This is his Dollar Tree headband thing. I ordered this kit that had ears, the face, this eye thing, see his eyes go, and the hands. He's the I found you, because he's pointing, and then the feets. I think they even say Pop Smart on them. And then these nuts. He's so big. These dinosaur things, thin things, and they even included a skeletal body thing. So you can pose him. It goes all the way through, and it goes in his tail and his head, and he's fabulous. So I sewed the body. I got the pattern off of Etsy, and then I just made him a caveman outfit. But I'm going to look for like a little kid's shirt or something because he's big. You know, he's beefy. So I'm going to look for something else for him to wear at the junk store. I forgot to look today. It's always so much fun at Deseret. It's just... Yeah, okay. So, yeah, see his eyes go. It's really neat. You know, these kits that you can buy. Oh, hand me that little yellow guy over there, please. That's on the chair, the smoke chair. Furby. I took one of those faces that I bought for like. There you can see him better. Put him down. Thank you. One of these. This is a face kit that I got off AliExpress, and so I made a little body frame. I had to make my own wire armature to go in this one, but he came out okay. And this was just a scrap piece of fabric I had from the dollar store. It's like a yellow boucle, but he came out cute. Yeah, very cute. Like he's got wires everywhere too. Very nice. I forgot about him. Oh, and then this goes like this. Here we go. I put this on his. This is his Halloween costume. There he is. There it is. Very nice, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah, so we like him a lot. Then I got this. I'm going to do a werewolf painting.
It's got a hole in it. Huh.
Oh, it does. Did I do that?
I don't know.
I can fix it. I'm going to paint a road here anyway.
Yeah, we must have done that.
I must have done it. Yeah, when I was loading those chairs. And that's okay. I got this canvas for like $3. Yeah, I can fix it. Yeah, $3 for this, and it's going to be my werewolf in the road. This is going to be a road instead of, I guess this is a stream of sorts.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so I got that, $3.
You can stand in the stream. Nobody cares.
No, there's going to be a car behind him.
Oh.
These are the headlights of a car. And I got this frame for it, and this was $5. Yeah, and this beautiful picture. This. I don't know what that picture is. I can't remember who that is.
The little prince.
The Little Prince, I guess. Yeah. Okay, so I got that. I still have my Godzilla picture to do. Oh, I'm sitting by this window. It's kind of hot. And we got this at Deseret. Somebody spray painted it white. It should be black.
Yeah.
I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but it's okay. And it was, what was it? $2. And these are these crepe papers I got to do the thing for the top of that thing's head. I got a bunch of different colors because I might do some other paper mache people. And these make nice little collars and stuff for them. So they still have this at the tree. So I got the black, the orange, red, white, whatever you need. So I got those. And then Mr. Retro's got this lovely item. Nice, huh?
Nice.
$2. Yes, very nice. Look at his feet.
Tasteful.
Very nice. Yeah, we'll take him down to the beach. Is that shell? Oh, the cigarette is a shell as well. Very nice.
Yeah,
We do
cool.
not promote smoking, but if you're just a shell creature, it's okay. Stand up.
Yeah, he will.
Yeah, he stands up. Okay. Oh, I got this for Victor, but I'm gonna wash it. It's a
An ant.
it's a fly.
Oh, it's a fly.
Fly.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's from the fly. So
Yeah.
He's got that
Yeah.
coat on.
Yeah, it's a fly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Help me, Victor, help me. Hey, Victor, help me.
Just forget it. And I got, this is Mr. Retro's item.
Exciting. An exciting extension.
An
cord.
outdoor extension cord for $5, which is a good price, because sometimes they want like $10 for these stupid things
Oh, more than that even.
in the thrift store. And these are, that place where I got the Knoll chairs had tons of restaurant wear. They cleared out a restaurant. They had beautiful things. They really did.
They're heavy
All white
duty.
wear, heavy duty. And I like these for like chili soup type thing because I broke one of my other ones. But I only found 2 of these with the lug handles of all those dishes. And I only found one of these. These sort of match my plates that I use. I don't know what that brand is. A Copa. That might be the same brand as the ones I got at Marshall's, but this is like a salad plate. So these were $1 a piece. Excellent deal. They did have nice things. They had a big, beautiful mirror.
Mm.
Yeah.
There's some other cool chairs.
They
too.
had other cool chairs.
I don't think they're for sale. They have them kind of hidden away.
I liked that leather one. There was a leather.
They had
It
that
was
laying back.
also a Knowles. I think that was from Crate and Barrel or CB2.
Mm.
And then I got this. This needs washing very, very bad. Do you mind?
What is it?
It's a hair hot brush.
Oh.
Yeah, it needs washing very bad, but it was $10. But it's a good brand. It's called Simply Straight. So I will be washing that up. And that's all I got. You got anything, Mr. Retros?
No.
Got anything, Victor?
No.
No, I don't have anything.
Got anything, Mr. Shellface? No, I need a light. So I'll see you later. Bye.